Hi there, students. A trunk. A countable noun. Yeah, normally a countable noun. This word has got lots and lots of different meanings. This is typical in English. So a trunk, a tree trunk, the trunk of a tree, the stem of the tree. The Silver Beach has a beautiful white trunk, a tree trunk. You could have the trunk of the body, yeah, the main part of the body, not including the head or the arms or the legs. Okay, so the trunk, yeah, he was doing various different exercises to strengthen his trunk. They found a very old Greek statue, but only the trunk was remaining. No head, no arms, no legs. Okay, so the trunk of a person, the trunk of an animal. Now, a long nose, an elephant has a trunk. Yeah, a long tube-shaped nose of an elephant. How the elephant got its trunk. Or maybe a tapir has a very shortened trunk, but the trunk, it's the nose of the elephant. Okay, in medicine, a nerve trunk injury, a main part of a blood vessel, the main part of a nerve. You used to have a trunk call in English, a long distance phone call that goes down the main line. So the main part of a blood vessel or of a nerve. Now, if you go travelling a long distance, well, maybe you want to put all of your things in a trunk. It's a big box that you can use to store clothes or store your personal possessions. It's long and you shut it and you put a lock on it. Yeah, or when you travel to a distant place. So I bought a beautiful 19th century Louis Vuitton trunk, which cost me a fortune. Then the trunk of the car. As a Brit, I would say the boot of the car, but the Americans say the trunk of the car, the back of the car. Yeah, so I put the suitcases in the boot, in the trunk of the car. I always keep a blanket and various other things like a torch in the trunk of the car in case of of an emergency. And then swimming trunks with an S. It needs to be plural. A pair of swimming trunks is what you go swimming in. So that's lots and lots and lots of different meanings. So a tree trunk, the trunk of the body, an elephant's trunk, the trunk where you keep things, a big box, the trunk of the car. Or a trunk road or a trunk nerve, a main artery, a main thing that place that things travel down. The stem of the tree, the trunk of a person, the nose of an elephant. Yeah, a large box with a hinge for transporting clothes and things like that. The trunk of the car. Yeah, I think that's 5. Okay, and then yeah, we have the a trunk road or a trunk nerve or a trunk call, trunk line, trunk road. They're important major ones. Yeah. Okay, so origin trunk. It comes from Latin through French. Truncus in Latin, or truncus, the trunk of a tree that's been cut down. You've got the trunk, and that's what it is in Latin. From truncus, to cut off, truncated, cut down, and trunk. I think all of these uses are very common. I think I'm going to give them all a 5 in formality, so you use them anywhere. So, trunk. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tree trunk, elephant trunk, the trunk of the body, the torso, a trunk to keep your things in, the trunk of a car.